Channel. So in this video we can see about how to prepare for GATE examination in just 3 months. So just 3 months means first you should accept the fact that you have only 3 months left for the GATE examination, and you should be adapted to that fact and try preparing for that examination. You have 90 days left for the examinations, which is not less than. So many will be preparing for 6 months. So you will be having half the time of others, like for those who are preparing for 6 months. So it's like half the time only. So if you prepare or if you work hard, double that amount, definitely you will be in top 10. I can give you 100% sure. Okay, let's start the video. So we can just click this 90 days. Okay, you have 90 days. First we can just key this 20 days. So this 20 days is for test series. So this 20 days is for this test series as well as revision. Okay, next you have remaining 70 days. So how to prepare for this 70 days? This is what you are going to study in, or you are just going to look in this video. So you have 70 days, so which is not very, what is it's not very less, but okay, it's good only. So first I'll divide it. We have this 2 months, that is 1 month is of this 30 days and another is of this 30 days, and remaining we'll be having this 10 days. So I'm just going to I'll be saying exclusively for the civil department. So for other department you can just follow the strategy for this 30 days, 60 days, 90 days plan. So this 30 days and this 30 days should be exclusively for major subjects and important subjects, or you can see the subjects which is very much easy for you, and these are the subjects which covers approximately 5 to 10 marks in GATE examination, as well as which is very easy to you. You can score this full marks you can score in this 30 to 60 days. So you should be confident in that subjects and select subjects wisely to get very good score, because GATE is an examinations which focus more on smart work than being hard. Okay, so there are people who are studying for 3 years, 4 years but couldn't even crack the examination, but there are students who have topped in, or in their rank 1 to 10 only in the span of 2 months to 3 months. I know a person from IIT who had just studied for 45 days and now he is studying at IIT Karampur. So BTech, he done his BTech in a private college, which is very, very only 1,000 students was there at his batch. So but he tried his best, and now it is he's just earning lakhs and lakhs after studying at IIT Karampur. Okay, so just don't waste things like you have only 45 days or something like that. Just focus on your dream, focus on what you are just willing to do. Don't focus about others. Okay, so this 30 days and this 30 days should be covered for major subjects, and last 20 days, this is exclusively for test series and revision that I have already mentioned. So this 10 days is for this minor subjects, which take only 2 to 3 days per subject. So there are minor subjects, especially in civil department, there are minor subjects like irrigation, hydrology, engineering, mechanics, CPM, that is construction project management and building materials. So this contains very less weightage, but it can be covered in very little time span. So I'll just share the strategy for civil department. So I'm going to tell about civil department. So this first, okay, so the people who are studying at 6 months, most probably they'll be studying 2 subjects per month. So here you are trying to cover approximately 3 subjects per month for better. So 30 days, remaining 10 days. So in this, first I will be covering geotech, which will be of around 15 marks. Next is transportation. It's about 10 to 12 marks. Environment, it's also about 10 to 12 marks. So these 3 are the major technical subjects for civil department. And next is maths and aptitude, that I'm not including here. And the next important one, but minor subjects. So these are minor, but still you can score very good marks. Like for survey, you can score about 5 marks, but it's a minor subject. It's very easy also. If you strategically prepare on survey, but if you just allowed 100 to 200 hours only to survey, then it will be waste of time only. I don't recommend that. Hydrology and irrigation, it's about 5 to 6 marks. And so this is about minor plus easy subjects. And next I'm just going to include, you can, this third phase is all about, these are the subjects where you can include either it should be RCC or structure analysis or SOM or this FM. So FM consists of this OCF. So just study OCF and FM simultaneously, because together it will be having weightage, not separately it will be having weightage. So OCF is also having first priority than FM. Next still you can exclude, but in still just go through this plastic analysis parts and all. So after studying SOM only you can just cover essay. So it will be like FM, OCF or RCC, then SOM, then only essay. So essay means structural analysis, that you all know. I hope you all know that. So still for me it's like a difficult part for me. So it depends on you only. So if steel is very easy to do, then go for it. Don't waste your time on other subject. So this will be consisting, okay, then I'll be dealing with this maths and aptitude. So maths and aptitude together it will be having 30 marks, which is not very less. So let's calculate how much mark you can score if you study in this time span. I'm just calculating only less number of subjects, so you can just cover, this can be covered in this 10 days. Just cover important topics only. Don't go through all the topics, just cover important one only, because strategic preparation is very important. So for this 2 subjects you can take 3 months. Sorry, not just 30 days, I mean not 3 months, sorry, 30 days. Okay, so 30 days for this. And for environment you can just deal on daily basis, because it's a theory part. Some design will be there, and some it's problematic as well as theory also, but it will be very easy to learn that new concept. So it's better to learn these concepts very quickly. So it will be very easy. So environment I'm not including in that monthly preparation, because you can do it on that 70 days basis. So 70 days to 60 days you can cover one day you can just cover 1 or 2 topics. So definitely it will be covering. Next, so 30 days is over. Next, for this 30 days, I'll be selecting any two subjects from this. Either it can be FM OCF, or it can be SOM, or it can be RCC. So there are some difficult questions which will be asked from SOM. So as structure analysis, it's very easy, but after studying SOM, it is recommended to study structure analysis. Still, I can neglect, or I will be neglecting. So definitely you can, or I don't know. It's upon to you. So just count the number of marks, how many marks you'll be getting. So number of questions and marks, or number of subjects, you can just look. So 15. So 50, so how many marks you'll be getting? So I'm just taking the 30 marks, and here I'm taking 15, here 10, here 10, and here survey 5, and hydrology irrigation 5, and this as a whole, and including that engineering mechanics, I'm just including that subjects also, engineering mechanics, CPM. So including all this, I'm just taking whole. Okay, so this as 10 marks. So you'll be having 30 plus 10 plus 15 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5. You will be scoring 85 marks. Oh my God, 84 marks in 3 minutes. Wow, really great. So try to achieve this thing in this time span. So you have only less time. So concentrate on that time. And some will be studying for 12 hours to 16 hours, which is very... some students can't concentrate on 12 to 16 hours. So I don't recommend that. I recommend 6 hours of efficient study is more than sufficient for exams like GATE. So it's not about how tough it will be. So it's very easy. Only it depends on that 3 hours of examination. So it's like testing your capability of that aptitude and max. So it's something related to numerical based examination. So just prepare, and there will be ask questions which is to be added in this examination. So let's see and try solving that questions also. So try attend full length series and subject based test series in this 20 days plus revision. It's more than sufficient. So all the best.